Hi there, thanks for stopping by. If you like spicy food, you probably like jalapeno poppers. There's never a bad time to eat them. And today I'm going to make our recipe and show you how easy it is. So I hope that you'll follow along. Let's get started. Okay, these are the ingredients that you'll need. The jalapenos, of course. I actually have 12 of them. I'm going to make 24. And I have some bacon. It's 12 ounces. And I'm going to cut those in half so that there's one piece for each half. I have about a cup of cheese. I have cheddar cheese, but you can use whatever kind. It actually helps to give it a little mild flavor or taste so that it's not so spicy. And then some softened cream cheese, and a couple of them I'm going to put just the cheese because our family's coming over and some of them don't like cream cheese. So we'll go ahead and get started. I'm going to go ahead and slice up the jalapenos and then we'll get right back with you and you can see how we put them together. Okay, I have the jalapenos sliced and then I cut the bacon in half. I'm going to go ahead and start with a small piece of cream cheese. I think that might be enough. So it's just as simple as putting one in your hand and getting a little scoop, however much you like. Put the cream cheese on. A little bit of the cheddar cheese, and then wrap your bacon around. And I have toothpicks here that will kind of help hold it in place. You don't have to use toothpicks. Then I'm going to put it on a lined cookie sheet, and you can use gloves if you'd rather. But I think it's easier to work without gloves, but you'll want to be careful not to touch your eyes or your face after doing this. Even after washing your hands, it seems to stick. There really is no perfect technique, just whatever works. You can make jalapenos poppers without bacon, but why would you? You're kind of pushing the cheese down so it doesn't fall off quite as easy. You just never really know how spicy they're going to be. It depends on the spice of the jalapenos. Sometimes they're super spicy and sometimes they're not. Okay, remember I said we're gonna leave some without cream cheese, so we'll set this aside and do the rest of them with just cheddar cheese in the middle. If the jalapeno is extra large, I do use one whole piece of bacon on those. But these are kind of small. They're ready to go into an oven that has been preheated to 425, and they'll cook for about 20 to 25 minutes. And that will be dependent on the crispiness of the bacon. We like it a little crispy, so we'll probably leave ours in the full 25 minutes. At that time, if it's still not quite crispy enough, just go ahead and add a few more minutes, but watch it closely at that point. And then they're gonna be ready to eat. So we'll come back when they're done. Jalapeno poppers are done.
I'm so excited.
And they look delicious. So, you wanna try one?
Let me think. Yes. Will I be a hog if I take the whole thing at once?
Yes.
That's really good.
Good. Are the jalapenos hot?
Some people would say yeah.
I would probably say yes.
So you probably would, but they're not. They're really good.
So
can I have more?
Later.
All right.
Follow the recipe and instructions below. Come back again, like and subscribe to the channel, and come back for more videos.
And see my wife.
See you soon. Bye.